Hello everybody, my name is Ryan Wan from SANY Cranes. Today I'm going to show you our next generation rough terrain crane, SRC1100T. SRC1100T has a maximum lift capacity of 110 metric tons. That makes this machine one size class larger than SRC900T that we introduced earlier in the year. Both the 1100T and the 900T are based on the same platform. Therefore, they use a lot of the same components such as engine, transmission, axles, jibs, etc. This model here is designed according to EN 13000 and is CE certified. There are several variations of this model to meet the regulations and requirements of different markets. SRC1100T is powered by a robust Cummins QHB 6.7 liter diesel engine. It can meet either EU Stage 3 or Stage 5 emission standards. The transmission from Dana is fully automatic and electronically controlled, so the gear shifting is much more smooth compared to the previous generation. Both the front and the rear axles are from Kessler. They are both for driving and steering. We also have the option of providing a differential lock to provide you with extra tractions when driving in very bad road conditions. Next, I'm going to show you the platform. Please follow me. Climbing up and down this crane is very safe and convenient. There are several ladders located conveniently around the crane to help you access this walking platform. Once you're up here, you'll see a fully flat crane deck running full length, and it is covered with anti-skid surfaces to minimize the risk of tripping. One of the things we have redesigned for our next generation crane is the carrier frame that I am standing upon right now. It is more lightweight, compact, yet stronger. Our engineering team has increased the rigidity of the frame by up to 15%. This has improved quite a bit the stability of the crane when performing heavy lifts. Also strengthened is the crane boom. We use the 6-section pin and latch boom. Maximum boom length is 56 meters. When fitted with an 18-meter flat jib, maximum work height of this crane can reach up to 74 meters. Next, I'm going to show you the operator cabin, which is an all-new design. It is bigger, more comfortable, and loaded with features. Please follow me. Next, we have this powered catwalk here that makes it safe and easy for the operator to enter or leave the cab. The control lever stand here can also be raised to create more space for entry or exit. Underneath this stand, we have designed a contact switch. When the operator moves the stand to its work position, the contact switch is activated, and this wakes up all the control buttons and the whole system. This safety design makes sure that inadvertent input by the operator is eliminated. Once we are seated in our chair, first thing you'll notice is great visibility all around you. We have one extra large front windshield window. The operator can open it for ventilation or communication with the ground crew. The internal space is increased. We now have more leg rooms here. As a matter of fact, according to our engineer, it's been increased by 10%. Next, we have these dual-axis electronic control levers. They are highly smooth and highly responsive to operate. The armrest of the lever stand, we can also adjust it to 3 different positions, so really comfortable to operate on. All the control buttons located right here are for crane operations only. So as you can see, they have a very clean and clear layout. On the upper right side here is what we call the auxiliary control modules. Controls for lighting, warning indicator, powered catwalk, cab tilt functions are all incorporated here. This cabin can tilt backward from 0 to 20 degrees to provide the operator with a better view of the load when he's working with high boom angles. This also helps reduce operating fatigue. Next, I'm going to show you the driving controls. First, we have this our steering column. It is tiltable and telescopable, so the operator can adjust it to a position that he's comfortable with. And all the driving controls are integrated in this area. We have the 4-wheel and 2-wheel drive mode switch, the differential lock switch, high-low range, emergency flash is here. So these work pretty much like those on a sedan. Next is the seat, operator's seat. It's also improved in terms of comfort. It's a 6-way adjustable seat. We can adjust the slide, the seat height, the back, the armrest, and the high headrest as well. Air conditioning and heater also comes standard. We have a very high efficiency air conditioning system from Denso. The vents are also optimized. They're bigger vents, adjustable, and repositioned to deliver better airflows. So overall, this is a quite comfortable cab experience. All SANY rough terrain crane is equipped with the industry-leading SANY crane control system. It is designed in-house by SANY. The system is accessed by a gorgeous 10-inch full-color touch display. It is integrated with load moment limiter, virtual wall, and self-diagnostic capabilities. The display can be controlled by touch, either by touch or by this control knob right here. So the operator doesn't always have to lean forward when trying to operate the screen. Next, I'm going to show you a new feature that we have developed for this new model. One new feature we have developed for this new model is what we call the asymmetric base. The asymmetric base allows the operator to extend each outrigger beam to a different length and still allows the crane to work safely and efficiently. This is a particularly useful function to have when the crane is working in very tight spaces and has to be set up with limited outrigger positions. Next, let's take a look at the counterweight. We have designed a one-piece 10.6-ton removable counterweight. It can be hydraulically installed or removed by the crane itself, so no assist crane is needed. When the counterweight is removed, the weight of the crane drops to below 45.3 tons or 100,000 pounds. Combine this with an overall height of less than 3.9 meters. You will be able to transport this crane in most countries with a regular low bed trailer. Once the crane reaches the site, it will assemble its own counterweight and then is ready to go to work. To further enhance the capability of this crane, SANY has offered several packages for special applications. First is a desert climate pack. With this, the crane can better work in hot and sandy conditions. Next is a refinery pack that allows the crane to work in a refinery context. Lastly is the Arctic climate pack. With this, the crane can work in places where temperature drops to below as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius. So everybody, this is SANY's next generation rough terrain crane, SRC1100T. For more information, please visit SANYglobal.com. Thank you.